Welcome to the all-new VinylMaster version 4. There are 4 versions to choose from. Today I'll be showing you around VinylMaster Xpt, with many of these tools and features also available in the other versions of the software, including VinylMaster Pro, VinylMaster Ltr, and some in VinylMaster Cut. Please see the full comparison chart at vinylmaster.biz. That's .biz. What sets VinylMaster apart? Well, to begin with, VinylMaster not only provides you with all the tools and features to make truly professional signs, it also provides you with the ability to design truly stunning artwork with its suite of advanced 3D and vector effects, like the ones I'm showing you here. I'm just going to show you a handful of these effects, which are so easy to apply to text or objects, and then modify and adjust these to suit your particular artwork. You can simply apply any of these amazing presets to your artwork and see the end result in real time. In this effect, for example, a prismatic effect, I'll change the text and apply some different colors to see different results. In this chrome effect, it's very dark. Let's lighten it up a little to bright chrome. Then we'll add a tint of blue and perhaps red. Here's a neon effect. We can change the color of the glow in the second row of tools like so. We'll make it red. And you can see it's a stunning effect. Here is a rock effect. We can change the texture and completely change the look of the effect. With fire, we can adjust the turbulence to change how the fire appears around this text. Here is a gloss effect, and by changing colours we can get a completely different result. Using reflectivity, we can create mirror effects, and we can adjust how reflective the image is by adjusting some of these settings here. We can either step it up or step it off. VinylMaster comes with a design center that contains a large set of easily accessible tools and features, including the shading and 3D effects tools. This means you can edit your effects and see the results as you do them on screen. This provides you with the tools you need to design and create your artwork without any fuss. We can simply adjust the inset, the height, and change the reflection map to get a completely different effect on this particular gold. We can just pop the design center away. Here we can adjust the wood effect by changing the texture to a different type of wood. We'll darken it up a little by using this texture here. With over 1500 textures available, you are bound to find the one you need to help create that perfect effect. VinylMaster Xpt and Pro also come with 3D modeling, which allows you to apply an extrusion and rotate and pivot an object in 3D space. By combining the shading and 3D effects with the 3D modeling, you can create an infinite number of eye-popping effects for your artwork. Along with the shading tools, VinylMaster Xpt, Pro and Ltr all come with a large suite of cuttable vector effects, which includes drop shadows. With drop shadows, you can add an offset, an inset, and change the colour. Other effects include block shadows that we can set with a close or far off vanishing point, and also have an offset and an inset. You can also apply an outline, an inline, along with multiple outlines and inlines, and combine these lines, apply a cuttable gradient, or just use the lines on their own. The advantage with these effects is that they remain interactive and adjustable even after you have closed the program and come back to it. If you want to apply a standard outline to text or any shape, you can do this from the Design Center, which displays a preview on screen, and all you need to do is apply the effect. And you can see in wireframe the artwork is completely cuttable. Another vector effect is stripes. You can see here that these stripes are all vector effects which are cuttable. VinylMaster also comes with a great suite of distortion effects which are easy to apply and remain adjustable. They are editable on screen, so you can see exactly how the artwork looks as you do it. In this envelope distortion is an outline effect. And from the Design Center, you can access the Object Manager and Property Inspector, which provide access to each object in the designing area, including the outline effect, which you can actually edit within the distortion. Try doing that in another program. The large thumbnail preview of your recent jobs is just another great feature of VinylMaster. You can see all your work in a visual list along with its name and location. With a little imagination, you can create this sort of artwork, which has been made using a combination of VinylMaster's powerful curve tools, which let you easily develop complex shapes like these ribbons. And viewing your pages is so easy using this page thumbnail viewer. You can also select the objects within your artwork using the Visual Object Selector, so working with complex artwork has never been easier. These gift boxes have also been made from a combination of VinylMaster's powerful curve tools along with VinylMaster's powerful gradient fills, and using the transparency tools such as opacity and the interactive transparency effect, which you'll find in the mask editor. And navigating between your pages is so easy with these document tabs. VinylMaster also comes with a large suite of bitmap and image tools, so you can work with images in the Design Center. You'll find useful information about the images you're working with and be able to edit and adjust the image directly. You can also access the image editor. This module lets you isolate the image you're working with and adjust temperature, saturation, brightness and gamma. It also lets you adjust each color channel so you can target particular colors within your artwork. There are also a set of special effects which can be accessed from the Advanced tab. As each effect is applied, you can see a preview of how it will appear before you apply it to the image. And when you're done, just click Accept. As you can see from the Images menu, you have a wealth of powerful image tools and features at your disposal. VinylMaster also provides you with the tools and features to professionally remove the background from any image, no matter how complex it is or how many colors it has. The mask editor has been updated for version 4 and is now easier than ever to create masks and adapt these to create any number of special effects with images so that you can create the most professional artwork with as little effort as possible. You can easily invert masks, you can blur, sharpen, you can add vignettes to get excellent results. There is also an interactive transparency tool to help you create all sorts of image effects such as blending and compound image effects to create complex and visually stunning artwork. Converting images like this logo into vectors so it can then be cut out is also very easy in each version of VinylMaster using the Vectorizer. This specialist tracing module has been streamlined for version 4. It is now even easier to use with simplified tools and features that get the job done to obtain near perfect trace results, even from low quality JPEGs like this image here. As you can see here in wireframe, the image has been traced and is ready to cut out as it is. And when it comes time to cut, VinylMaster has been completely reworked with an all-new AutoCut module, so you can design and cut simple artwork like this traced image by selecting a couple of options and sending it to cut with just a couple of clicks. And in just 3 clicks, you can cut a single color artwork in a few seconds. Plus, VinylMaster now has all new cut documents. Cut documents take your artwork and color separate it for you, with each page, that is the color, appearing in the thumbnail viewer next to the design center. Each of these pages represent your vinyl in your cutter, and each will automatically create a tile overlap and also add and remove pages depending on where you position your artwork and how big it is. The great thing with cut documents is that you can edit your artwork and position it exactly where you want to cut it, or use the Nest tool to save on wasting costly media. I'll show you that in a moment. You can also save off cut documents for later. You can have as many open as you like, and you can also add additional cut files from other artwork to your existing cut files or your cut documents whenever it suits you. The choice is yours, and these modules just make it so easy. In the advanced cut file editor, you can also split your cut files and add alignment marks strategically around your artwork that are also cut out. So after the job has been weeded and is being laid out on site, all you have to do is measure one point on the job and then line up the marks with each other, and the sign will be perfectly laid out. Plus, you can also add speed boxes, add easy lift marks to greatly reduce your weeding times. And of course, no matter what you've done in the cut document, the original design, that is your original artwork, remains completely unaffected back in its own document. And you can just add more cut files to document whenever you like. All in all, VinylMaster's cutting is by far the most advanced on the market today. A major addition to version 4 is our all-new contour cutting wizard. This wizard works with most laser and automatic registration mark sensing or ARMS cutters that provides you with super pinpoint accuracy for greatly simplified and more accurate contour cutting. VinylMaster automatically builds the contours around any objects, including images, with its super accurate tracing tools. just set an offset and then view the artwork back in the Contour Cutting Wizard's preview, and how the artwork will print out, including publishing to PDF if you prefer. Once printed and loaded into your cutter for cutting, you can then use the Align Cut File wizard to quickly locate the printed registration marks on the artwork in your cutter using its laser pointer, and in no time you'll be ready to cut the artwork and produce razor sharp decals and stickers from your printer and cutting device. Of course, if you have an arms cutter, you'll be producing decals and stickers in absolutely no time. The VinylMaster Xpt RIP has also been greatly improved and streamlined in version 4 for large format printing. Preparing your artwork using the Artwork Manager is so easy with its suite of tiling and cropping tools, along with spot color and underbase support for white channel printers. Easily deal with oversized artwork and printer cutters. The RIP Manager supports an ever-increasing number of makes and models of printers and printer cutters from all the major manufacturers, applying final adjustments to your artwork, including final print position, job information, crop marks, and simple through to advanced color adjustments is very easy in the RIP Manager. The media profiles and library have also been improved for version 4, and we've added many more VinylMaster media and ICC profiles to improve your production flows and greatly improve your color reproduction so you have better final results. You can easily add new media profiles and work with any ICC profiles, select which render intents best suit your artwork, and the ink and media combination you have on hand with your specific printer. You can easily adjust ink splitting using simple curves to avoid banding and unwanted results. Set ink limits to minimize ink pooling and blotching, all in the media profile library. And when you're ready, just rip and print for the industry's fastest results. Working with colour is also a breeze in VinylMaster. We've added a dedicated colour menu and streamlined the colour editors in the program, and have added a whole suite of specialist colour tools in the Design Center. You can also add many different types of colours using the Uniform Colour Editor. RGB, HSV, CMYK, etc. are all handled by this module, so finding your colours and creating them has never been easier. Plus, you can now print your colour charts using the Print Colour Charts tool, which prints an alphanumeric code that matches the same colour and code in the program. This is ideal for producing in-house colour charts to show your clients that you can reproduce with complete confidence. We've also added an all-new colour matcher, which lets you quickly and easily target a sample colour for perfect colour reproduction and happy customers. Setting up your devices has never been easier in VinylMaster with its dedicated setup wizard, which lets you select from a large range of printer brands and models, as we can see here. Simply select the make and model of your printer and click Next. And with its comprehensive help pages, which are easy to follow and very helpful, along with specialist modules such as an IP address finder, like this one here, along with advanced information on print servers, etc. You'll sort out any problems with these and be quickly on your way to printing your artwork in no time. And setting up a vinyl cutter has never been easier. From our massive list of supported makes and models, which you can see in these lists, simply choose your device and select its port. And if you're unsure, no problems. Using the Help Find My Port section, an easy to follow guide with illustrations of the most common cables used today, you'll be well on your way to selecting the right connection. There are even detailed help files on configuring advanced COM port settings. And for those of you with a Chinese cutter, you'll be pleased to know that we've recently introduced direct COM port support, which entirely bypasses the Windows printer driver. This means we can communicate with your cutter directly and avoid all the Windows driver issues of the past. And of course, if you ever really get stuck, we're here to help with the best tech support bar none. We actually care about our products and customers and are ready to help when needed. Just before I finish up, I'll just quickly go over some of VinylMaster's major tools and extras. As you can see, each version of VinylMaster, except VinylMaster Cut, comes with a huge selection of fonts. Plus, VinylMaster also comes with Font Detective, which is a very powerful font matching tool. Simply load in a scan sample and select the font you're interested in, and the program will even OCR the text for you. Click Search, and Font Detective will search through thousands of fonts in seconds and instantly report what is the closest match. Coupled with Font Manager, which lets you view all your future fonts without ever needing to install them, which we've typographically sorted for you, so finding the right type of font is just so easy using Font Manager. You can also use fonts on the fly, so you don't need to fill up your fonts folder in Control Panel ever again. And if you really want a font to be installed, you can simply add it to Windows with just a single click. VinylMaster also comes with loads of power shapes, including squares, circles, stars, arrows, polygons, logarithmic and Archimedes spiral shapes. These special shapes come with onboard controllers, meaning you can easily adjust how the shape appears directly on screen or from the second row of tools. There's also a large selection of basic shapes to save your time developing commonly used shapes in your artwork. VinylMaster also has a very large suite of text tools and text types, including artistic text, paragraph text, text on an arc, text on a path, vertical text, and international text. The text is easily modified as shown here. You can easily create menu boards and consecutive number sets with the auto numbering tool. There's also a full set of text wrapping tools and interactive on-screen text tools. Laying out with dimensions and guides is also a breeze in VinylMaster. You can easily create guides from the rulers or the design center, along with a full set of dimensions, and then switch guides and dimensions on and off, along with setting a grid either as dots or lines, and then easily adjusting how the guides and dimensions appear on screen. VinylMaster Xpt also has a set of new rescaling, measuring and rotating modules, which lets you accurately measure up and size your artwork in an instant. Take this vehicle for example. We know it has a 135-inch wheelbase, so the image must be resized before we can start work. We simply take the two known points and then set the measurement we know the physical vehicle is. Click Accept and the vehicle is rescaled and good to measure up on screen. And if the area to be signed is not perfectly horizontal when dragging down a guide to begin the work, that's no problems. We simply use the Re-Rotate module, as shown here, to find the horizontal level. And in one click, the area is perfectly horizontal and ready to work with. As shown here, simply adjust, click Accept, the image is good to go. If you use a service bureau or an offset printer, you'll be glad to hear that we've included an all-new Publish CMYK module, which prepares your artwork in a CMYK TIFF file with separation profiles at super high resolution, creating the best possible artwork. Plus, we've also completely redone the Publish to PDF module. It's now loaded with industry-specific tools, including full arms cutter support. You can use this module to create proofs for your customers who can view but cannot reproduce the artwork, stopping artwork theft. Or use this module to create super high resolution artwork for someone else to print the job for you, such as a service bureau or a colleague with a large format printer. And talking about PDF, we've also greatly improved importing PDF and super large images. You'll find VinylMaster now imports an even wider range of PDF and EPS files. And new to VinylMaster version 4, you can now deal with super large images which are becoming widely used by your customers. VinylMaster also includes thousands of corporate logos. A huge selection of road and related signage, including many safety signs and highway signs. With over 2,000 textures in Expert, 1164 in Pro and 478 in Letter, plus 800 gradient fills, plus thousands of clip art images and over 10,000 vinyl colours. With thousands of powerful tools and features and 5,000 direct drivers, the best vinyl cutting and contour cutting available, all in all, VinylMaster represents outstanding value for money. Existing customers get a huge discount on upgrades, so don't wait, as it's so inexpensive to get into version 4 right now. Plus, you can take full advantage of our pay-by-the-month offers. We also have greatly reduced cross-grade incentives to get you from your old and tired software into VinylMaster today. Plus, we offer fantastic pay-by-the-month and subscription offers at our all-new and secure shopping cart, where you can see all our great offers and low prices. So why not download or install the demo today and see for yourself? You'll be glad you did. Thanks.